Hi guys, it's Tylo, Shone, Gabrielio, and we're going to SM MOA, and later we're going to Okada. Why? Six minutes later of waiting to go to SM Mall of Asia. I'm wearing my jacket.
Kapit na ninamnam na nagpapasarap ng one-pot dishes gaya ng fried rice, adobo, at marami pang iba. Kapit ka dyan! Inumus lang.
And what's
Kapit
daw?
ang sarap at saya. With Sarsaya.
What's daw?
Oh, anong kapit ang nagbibigay ng tamis alat at ninamnam? Kapit sarap, kapit saya.
What's daw? It's down.
It's down. Kapitang sarap, kapitang
Ooh.
sarap, sarsaya.
On the balcony lap and it's so down. So down. My shoes have light. It's blowing out. It's weird now. Oh, it's not down.
Nandito na sa taas.
Yay!
Kaya nasa traffic pa rin naman.
We're still on the parking lot. It's 1 minute already. No, it's not 1 minute already. It's 1 minute already. It said on the camera. It's dope category. No, it's not dope. And actually, it's Pow of Pow. It's actually Pow of Pow. The time is Pow of Pow. And why is it? And why is it not quiet today? Up the radio, be quiet. Up the radio, up the radio.
Off the radio daw,
Be
Daddy.
quiet. Up the radio. Up the radio. Yay. I'm videoing. So ingay ako. I'm videoing. It's been 3 minutes. It's 3 minutes. It said on the camera.
Ayun.
I think this is my most long video again. It's longer than the slime video, I think. Speed up.
Meron.
Yeah, I think this is the longest video again.
Ayun, nagkakalat. Sayang, wala.
Oh, we're new actually. Speed down. Okay, we're new. I think we're new. How is we not new? Are we new?
Pagmatsyag,
Tapos,
di ba? Alam natin na nangyayari para iwasan po na.
This is the parking already, but it's full.
Payong daw. Tama po mga kabarangay. O, sweep tayo. Music sweep tayo mga kapuso. I'll be back at 5 p.m. mga kabarangay para pumunta tayo sa ating susunod na batch ng inyong mga paboritong mga awitin. Di na lang
full, it's full, it's full, it's
sa
full.
Barangay LS 97.1 Stronger Forever.
Open. Then this video will be long. Again.
Oo na yung
Speed it up. Speed up again.
Ayan. Ay, ayun ba? Oo. Ay, hindi. Kakaparada lang yan.
This video is long talaga. Finally. Finally.
mall. Okay? Okay? Iwan ko na to. Iwan lang naman yan.
Finally.
Baka naman siya nakita pa ako ng mulangot dahil.
No.
Ikat mo
Be
to.
quiet. Be quiet.
Diyan ka na mag-ano. Stop mo na yan.
Finally. We're on the third floor. Bilis siya, no? Look. We're on the third floor. Hello.
Mali yung chinelas na nasa.
McDonald's. We're going to McDonald's. Ayun na. Wow. Tasan mo yan. Spider-Man. Ayun o. Spider-Man. 6-7. Giant dog. McDonald's now. I'm gonna wait the food. I'm buying the Spider-Man Happy Meal. It's the Happy Meal. But all not unbox it yet.
Ilan to?
Both. Spider-Man. box again. Like, but it's raining. And how we will go to the fountain? We're here on the Okada. We're here. We're on Okada now. But we're still on the parking lot. Ben! Ben! Hey! Oh. Oh. You clean. You clean. You clean. You should clean. You should clean. No. Wow. We're on Okada. How are you gonna go to fountain? I think.
Dapat 10 minutes, 10 minutes lang para marami kang video. Patay mo na. Mamaya ulit yung sa loob naman. Taas mo pa. Andal lang ako. Bibigyan kita. Maglakad ka. Maglakad. Kasi mga transition. Wala sila. Ayun, taas mo, taas mo, taas.
Dati nagkakasino.
Ay, I'm sorry.
Papanalunan mo pala yung kahan.
Hindi na vlog na po.
So, bakit? Nakakasama ko na siya.
Hi guys, it's Tyler, John, Gabrielio. Now we're unboxing this again. But oh, what's it? What's this? What's that? Here we go to the next one.
Sabi ng isa.
Oh. Ah. Bye. What are we gonna? No, let's check. Oh. How? 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 What? How can I do this? Ate, you do it. Ka. You do it.
Ben.
It's so hard.
Ben. Ba't
Watching Spider-Man. Watching Spider-Man. Wait. So tiny. This is big and this is tiny. Is the another part? What? Oh, I won't release your voice, mate. Sorry. This. Look, this is just here. On here. It's so one. Not again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 Spider-Man. And did you know I see a skeleton? Bye guys. Like this.
Hand concert.
Bye guys.